Hello! Last week you saw Rishan, the super intelligent toddler, identifying colors. This week, let's see how Rishan is able to play the colors game. This type of games further strengthens your knowledge of colors. Do check out this video. Rishan, this is white in color. This is also white in color. Any other object which is of white color? Show me again. Wow, good one. Now, wait, white is done. This is orange color. This is also orange color. Any other object which is of orange color? Where is orange color? Oh, fantastic. What are you doing? Where is orange color? Wow, good one, Rishan. Next, this is red color. This is also red color. Any other object which is of red color? Wow, correct. Very nice. Give it to mama. This is dark green in color. On your show me, where's dark green color? Wait, show me, wait, let me take. Where's dark green? Fantastic, marvelous. This is yellow. This is yellow. Any other object which is of yellow color? Ooh, correct. Thank you, Rishan. That is very nice. Rishan, this is dark blue in color. This is dark blue in color. Any other item which is of dark blue color? Correct. Fantastic. Give. This is light blue in color. This is also light blue in color. Any other object which is of light blue color? Fantastic! If you like this video, kindly like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.